that are meant just to improve the climate.
Na tukirudi hapa mjini Nairobi ni kwamba vuguvugu la sekta ya afya linalowaleta pamoja vyama vya maslahi ya wafanyikazi katika sekta ya afya limetoa notisi ya siku 7 kabla ya mgomo wa wahudumu wa afya katika kaunti ya Kiambu. Wanashutumu serikali ya kaunti ya Kiambu kwa kushindwa kuheshimu kanuni za tume ya kuratibu mishahara kuhusu malipo, kuzuia makato ya muungano na vile vile kuchelewesha mshahara kwa miezi kadhaa sasa.
About the Global Fund staff, these are people who have served this country for more than 15 years. They have been the ones managing our HIV and TB patients, spread across all the counties. The Public Service Commission also came out and directed that they be absorbed under permanent and pensionable terms where they are working. Again, the Ministry of Health absorbed them, the counties refused. Now they have not been paid for 14 months. And so what we have said is that we are giving an ultimatum of 7 days, after which, jointly as the Union Caucus, one, in Kiambu we are going to issue a joint strike for all of us.
Kiambu County is a classical example of a failed county, because why should you fight unions? Unions are legal entities. Even in the Constitution, Article 41 recognizes unions.
And this is not in doubt. And you've seen that all these articles that we want to be implemented have been implemented by the ministry, that they need to run down on Kiambu County so that people of Kiambu can get the same health care that everyone else in the country is getting. From next week, we're going to have a series of demonstrations to dramatize our frustrations, to join the people of Kiambu, to say that the power relies on them, that one individual that is born like all of us should not make life so difficult for everybody.